It's long been rumored that Apple will release a larger iPhone 10 Plus model this fall, but we may have just gotten our best confirmation yet of the new device. A leaked icon found in Apple's own firmware that seems to shows off the new phone. The image was discovered by notable Apple firmware reverse engineer Guilherme Rambo, along with another leaked icon for the bezel-less iPad that first leaked through the latest iOS 12 beta earlier this week.
Rambo notes that the icons are all early and unfinished, so don't necessarily take them as a definite indication of what the new devices will look like. Additionally, Rambo commented in a later tweet that the iPad icon in question is rendered as a square to be easily adjustable for both sizes, so don't get your hopes up for a square iPad just yet.
This isn't the first time Apple has accidentally leaked an iPhone design through a firmware icon, either. The iPhone X experienced the same thing discovered, coincidentally, by Rambo as well last summer.